Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's TutuBJ and I'm back with another hair video. In today's video I'm going to be working with Hairinbeauty, and I'm going to start off by doing the bold cap method. This company does give you a free wig cap in the box, which is really good, so you don't have to go out and buy new wig caps, especially if you don't have any or if you're running out. So you want to make sure you cut the ends first. So when you're spraying your got to be spray on the wig cap on your hairline, it will just make sure it sticks properly and there's no gaps underneath the wig cap. And yes, now you just see me spraying this on the wig cap, and I'm gonna use my finger to basically, so it doesn't go down, or so it just stays in place. I also use some foundation to match my skin, and now I'm going to use a scissors. So I'm using the small scissors, and I'm going to use that to cut the excess of the wig cap. So the wig that I'm using in this video is this deepwave curly wig, and it's 24 inches. All the details will be down in the description box below. I've already applied it, put it on my head. Now I'm gonna style my edges, and this was really easy. I wanted a really fluffy and quite a lot of edges this time. If you want, you know, smaller edges or thinner edges, you can do that as well, but this is what I wanted today. As you know, if you watch my videos, you know sometimes don't want any edges at all, and sometimes I do want edges, and sometimes I want it like a lot exaggerated, and sometimes I don't. So yeah, to do my edges I use mousse. So I always use mousse. I'm gonna try and use the got to be sprayed next time, because apparently that works really good as well. I think I used to probably, but yeah. So now I've finished doing my edges on this side. I'm just basically, after that I go in with the brush back any hair or any strings of hair that will interfere with the edges that I've just, you know, took time and do for myself. So yeah, so now I'm gonna take some silk headband, and this will just help for the edges to set a bit. And so yeah, I am gonna go in with a hair dryer so it just dries a bit more quicker. And yeah. After I've added some foundation to my lace, I'm now gonna go in with a wax stick, and this makes it easier for me to go back in with my hot comb and flatten the wig. And yeah, so doing this before you hot comb is really important, and it really helps. Now it's time to define these curls, and I'm using the olive oil mousse. This mousse doesn't have any glue or anything sticky in it, so yeah, it really helps for you to define your curls. And yeah, I'm also going to go in with hair serum, so any heat protectant that you have will help. After I'm satisfied with how my hair and how curly the hair is and detangled it, I'm now going to use the hair dryer to dry the hair and the curls, and so it's fluffy and it just looks amazing, not too wet. And yeah, this is the finishing look.